Even if you create a track you dislike, it can still become the foundation for something new using these 3 recycling methods. For this first method, we're going to use a free, cross-platform, open source plugin called Pause-Stretch. I've got this string chord progression idea that I want to turn into a pad. So let's load up Pause-Stretch, drop the sample in, and play with the 2 main controls. The stretch amount, which allows you to slow any audio sample up to 1000 times, and the FFT size, which controls how detailed the frequency analysis is when transforming the audio. I recommend importing tonal material like your track without the drums or a sample of the breakdown section. You can resample Pause-Stretch's output using Edison in FL Studio or the rolling sampler in other DAWs, then use it as an atmospheric bed or create a playable instrument with the results in a sampler. The second method is pitch shifting your track. Start by muting your drums and placing a pitch shifter on the master channel to play with new tonalities. One benefit of this approach is that it helps stave off ear fatigue. Listening to the same sound on repeat for hours can be mind-numbing. Hearing your track from a fresh perspective not only restores a bit of sanity, but often reveals problems you didn't notice when the track was playing in its original state. The third and simplest method is drenching your track in reverb. Once again, mute the drums and listen to what you've got. These reverb-soaked sounds can be used as snippets for variations, reverses to transition between sections, or just as ear candy to spice things up. In this way, even our worst ideas can serve as compost for future projects.